All right, so this is the green beans and chard that I pulled from the garden today. This is about how much it was. Well, this is what it looked like on the plate. Let me just say that. It's enough to feed the family. And this is chard for today. Like I say, chard is very plentiful. We've been harvesting chard for over a couple of weeks now, and it's still a lot left out there. Look how beautiful it is. Very, very nutritious, y'all. So y'all got to most definitely try growing chard. It's easy to grow, and to grow in abundance. So y'all give it a shot, you know, when y'all had the opportunity to. All right. Gardening is not as challenging as y'all may think it is. It is a challenge, but not as challenging as you think it is. And it's most definitely worth the time and effort. So give it a shot when y'all had the opportunity to. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all be good. All right, I'm coming back at y'all one more time just to show y'all how much these beans weigh. That's how much we pulled today, which is 10.5 ounces and 300 grams. 299 grams, 300 grams. So we're going back and forth between 299 and 300 grams. So that's how much beans we pulled on our first harvest. We'll probably be I may measure or weigh each harvest out just to see how much we pull towards the end of the season, and we'll total everything up and see what it come out to be. Anyway, so there we go. 10.5 ounces of beans. There you go. All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all be good.